When thinking of fighting climate change and going green, most people picture public transportation. In reality, electric scooters are better for the climate because they emit no greenhouse gases, require less energy, and are more maneuverable, and reduce the need for cars for short trips. However, many high-end electric scooter models can be quite expensive. But if you want something cheap and environmentally friendly, these last-mile solution electric scooters are for you. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily commute or a fun way to get around the neighborhood, these budget-friendly options are sure to impress. Hey there, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be highlighting some of the best electric scooters that can be purchased for under $500. Use this video as your guide when choosing the right electric scooter for you. Before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below that help our channel grow. Razor EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. The Razor EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter is a budget-friendly option that is well suited for both adults and children. This electric scooter has a top speed of 18 miles per hour and a range of up to 18 miles on a single charge. It is powered by a 500-watt brushless rear hub motor and a 36V lead-acid battery. The ride is smooth like butter, fitted with 16-inch multi-spoke wheels and beefy pneumatic tube tires, which makes your ride still comfortable on tricky and rougher terrains. One of the key features of the Razor EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter is its bamboo deck. Bamboo is a sustainable and eco-friendly material that is both durable and lightweight. The bamboo deck also provides a comfortable and stable platform for the rider. With a simplistic style, the soft padded seats and a wide wood deck help in maintaining comfort while cruising past any traffic jam. The Razor EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter also comes equipped with built-in carrying rack and a basket, making it easy to transport groceries or other small items. Whether it's a reusable grocery bag or your backpack or purse, use a luggage rack or detachable basket to transport your stuff. Additionally, the scooter has a twist grip throttle and a rear brake, making it easy to control and stop. You can find Razor EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter almost anywhere, especially at Walmart or Amazon when shopping online for as low as $49.99. TURBOANT M10 Commuting Electric Scooter. With a lightweight frame, one of the fastest top speeds in its price bracket, and best-in-class ride quality, the TURBOANT M10 is the perfect scooter for first-time thrifty riders. With an uncompromising load capacity of 220 pounds, the M10 carries more weight than you need, and the wide anti-slip deck keeps both your feet comfortable. A single charge satisfies most riding needs with an impressive 18-mile range, which easily covers a commute to the workplace or a visit to the nearby convenience store. The TURBOANT boasts a top speed of 20 miles per hour, which is the perfect speed for traveling through a crowded city during rush hour while enjoying an unobstructed view of the urban landscape and arriving at work refreshed. The 350W motor responds promptly to the throttle and releases a generous amount of power for a quick acceleration to your desired speed. TURBOANT M10's LED screen displays the scooter's battery level, speed, riding mode, and headlight status. Constructed with premium materials to absorb shock and impact on rough pavement and tested to last long under various road conditions, the 10-inch pneumatic tires help deliver a comfortable and confident ride. The bright headlight can be vertically adjusted 90 degrees to illuminate up to 16 feet ahead, giving you adequate time to maneuver and avoid water puddles and loose rocks during a nighttime trip. A rear disc brake and electronic brake are activated simultaneously by squeezing the hand lever to achieve a short braking distance of 16.4 feet, with the taillight blinking in red to alert nearby vehicles and cyclists. You can expect to get the TURBOANT M10 Commuting Electric Scooter for about $450, or even as low as $380 during a sale. You can find this anywhere, especially in big retail companies. TOMOLOO L1 Plus Folding Electric Scooter. Introducing the TOMOLOO L1 Plus Folding Electric Scooter, the perfect choice for urban commuters looking for a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. With a retail price of just $430, the L1 Plus offers unbeatable value for money without compromising on performance. Featuring a medium-sized body and leather handlebars, the L1 Plus is not only stylish, but also comfortable to ride, even on longer trips. The LED display shows important information, such as battery level, current gear, and speed, making it easy to keep track of your ride. The handlebars are intuitively designed with a left brake lever, bell and throttle thumb knob, as well as a power button in the middle. The L1 Plus also has a power-saving mode, known as a 3-gear system, which helps to extend the battery life for when you need it most. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of up to 15 miles, the L1 Plus is powered by a 300-watt motor, ABS, and honeycomb tires, which are durable and low maintenance. The honeycomb tires provide a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The TOMOLOO L1 Plus folding electric scooter is a great option for those looking for a reliable and efficient mode of transportation at an affordable price. It is well built, easy to use, and perfect for new riders and city commuters. JETSON ERIS electric scooter. If you're looking for a durable and portable electric scooter, the JETSON ERIS foldable electric scooter is the perfect choice for you. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, the ERIS can be folded in seconds, making it ideal for those on the go. One of the standard features of the ERIS is its bright LED front and rear lights, which provide added visibility and safety, especially when riding at night. An LED display on the handlebar also shows your remaining battery percentage and speed, allowing you to stay in control of your ride. The JETSON ERIS also comes equipped with a speed limiting button that allows you to set your speed to a maximum of 14 miles per hour or lower it to 6 miles per hour, depending on your needs. The scooter also has 8.5-inch hard rubber tires, which are maintenance-free and provide a smooth ride. The front shocks also help to reduce discomfort on uneven terrain. In addition to its durable and portable design, the ERIS also offers advanced features, such as a detachable device mount for your smartphone, which allows for easy navigation, and an integrated phone holder so you can keep your phone close at hand. With a sleek frame offered in 3 colors, a 250-watt rear wheel motor, 12-mile range, and max speed of 14 miles per hour, the JETSON ERIS is the ultimate riding experience. Whether you're commuting or running errands, the upgraded folding mechanism makes it easy to bring your scooter with you wherever you go. Razor E325 electric scooter. The Razor E325 electric scooter is an ideal choice for those looking for a stylish and durable mode of transportation. The two-tone color and larger deck design make this scooter stand out from the competition. With wider 10-inch pneumatic tires, it provides improved stability and cornering ability and is ideal for individuals weighing 200 pounds or more with larger feet. Built with a durable all-steel frame and fork and large 9-inch wide pneumatic front and rear tires, this scooter is designed for stability and a smooth ride on rough surfaces. It also features soft rubber twist grip acceleration control, hand-operated rear brakes, and a retractable kickstand for easy use. While the scooter can be conveniently folded down for storage, it is not the best option for carrying due to its weight of approximately 55 pounds. The heavy lead-acid battery is responsible for the added weight, but it can also provide a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 9 miles on a single charge. With 250 watts of high torque, it can run up to 40 minutes of continuous use, making it a great option for navigating through metro traffic. SWAGTRON Swagger 5T electric scooter. Your commuting swag just got better with the app-enabled Swagger 5 Boost electric commuter scooter, fully updated and upgraded. Engineered with an upgraded 300-watt motor, efficient 37V battery, and improved quick folding mechanism, the Swagger 5 Boost is designed to make your commute even easier than before. The aluminum alloy frame was engineered for maximum resilience and is durable enough to support riders up to 320 pounds. The 8.5-inch tires can handle the daily grind thanks to maintenance-free honeycomb tires that will never go flat. Use the SWAGTRON app to track speed, check map routes via GPS, engage cruise control, and activate the ultra-bright LED headlight with a tap of a button. With 3 speed modes, the Swagger 5 Boost lets you find your optimal speed limits as you cruise around town. With 27 pounds in weight, it is one of the lightest electric scooters out there, thanks to its aerospace-grade aluminum metal, 100% lighter than the Razor E325. A really good choice for those who always use an electric scooter for their daily commute to work. Despite it not having a quick acceleration, it has a steady and stable speed of 18 miles an hour, which is shockingly fast compared to other electric scooters. The upgraded high-capacity 37V battery lasts up to 11 miles per charge and charges in just 3 hours. With a price tag of $290, you can't go wrong with this. Razor E Prime electric scooter. The Razor E Prime electric scooter is the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it be for Christmas or a birthday. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. The E Prime is built with a gunmetal aluminum frame, making it durable and lightweight at just 21 pounds. Its 250-watt motor can reach up to top speeds of 15 miles per hour and can take you up to 10 miles on a single charge. With a 40-minute capacity, and it can be fully charged in just 5 hours. The E-Prime also features a patent-pending anti-rattle folding technology, an extra-long, extra-wide extrusion profile aluminum deck, and a soft rubber prism-shaped grip for maximum comfort in daily use. The electronic throttle with thumb-activated paddle control gives you smooth acceleration, and the high-torque hub motor puts the power at your fingertips. This electric scooter is designed with quality and comfort in mind, and is perfect for commuting or cruising around the city. With its sleek style and electric efficiency, the Razor E-Prime brings a new level of sophistication to every ride. Experience the convenience of last-minute transportation with speeds of up to 15 miles per hour on the Razor E-Prime electric scooter. Yono's electric scooter. Introducing the Yono K9 electric scooter, a perfect blend of fun and practicality. With a powerful 350W motor, the K9 can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, and an 8.5-inch vacuum tires provide a comfortable and safe ride. The K9 has a long-range mileage of 18 miles on a single charge of 4 hours. The portable one-step folding design makes it easy to take with you on the go and store when not in use. The K9 electric scooter is designed with a simple and convenient concept in mind, featuring a 3-second folding mechanism that makes it easy to fold and store. It can handle any pavement, from pebbles to grass, making it perfect for recreational and commuting use. The 350-watt hub motor in the front wheel makes it easy to climb inclines and hills, while the rear disc brake provides a quick response and improved safety. The LED display panel shows the battery status and reminds you when it's time to charge. The 8.5-inch shock-absorbing vacuum tires reduce vibrations for a smooth and comfortable ride. With the ability to adapt to any pavement, the Yono K9 electric scooter is a reliable and enjoyable mode of transportation. Electric scooters are convenient and efficient modes of transportation that are becoming increasingly popular. For those on a budget, there are plenty of options available that don't skimp on quality or performance. When looking for an electric scooter, be sure to research the brand and read reviews to ensure that the scooter is of good quality and meets safety standards. And check the warranty, customer service, and return policy before making a purchase. Electric scooters are a great way to save money on gas, reduce carbon footprint, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe buttons below. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any recommendations for videos. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks again for watching.